These 50 road signs are tested every time in the driving test, and if you master them, you're 99.9% guaranteed to pass easily. Okay, let's go. Guess this traffic sign. A. Give way sign. B. Vehicles have priority ahead. Right, it is the give way sign. Identify this road sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic signals ahead. Good observation. It is the traffic signals ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. No right turn. B. No left turn. Good observation. It is the no left turn sign. Guess this road sign. A. Children going to school. B. Pedestrians ahead. Well spotted. It is the children going to school sign. Name this road sign. A. No waiting. B. No stopping. Exactly. It is the no stopping sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. No entry. B. National speed limit applies. Perfect. It is the no entry sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Zebra crossing. B. Pedestrians ahead. Correct. It is the zebra crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No left turn. B. No right turn. Right. It is the no right turn sign. Which road sign is this? A. Uneven road. B. Loose chippings. Good catch. It is the uneven road sign. What is this road sign? A. Parking place. B. Controlled parking zone. Good catch. It is the parking place sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No stopping. B. No waiting. Perfect. It is the no waiting sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No motor vehicles except motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. Good observation. It is the motor vehicles prohibited sign. Identify this road sign. A. No overtaking. B. Traffic queues likely ahead. Well spotted. It is the no overtaking sign. What is this traffic sign? A. End of dual carriageway. B. Road narrows on both sides. Exactly. It is the road narrows on both sides sign. Guess this road sign. A. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour. Right. It is the maximum speed 30 miles per hour sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Steep ascent. B. Steep descent. Good observation. It is the steep ascent sign. What is this road sign? A. Width restriction. B. Height restriction. Good observation. It is the height restriction sign. Identify this road sign. A. Low-flying helicopters. B. Low-flying aircraft. Well spotted. It is the low-flying helicopters sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Vehicles may park partly on verge. B. Soft verges. Exactly. It is the soft verges sign. Which road sign is this? A. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. B. Entrance to a 20 mile per hour zone. Perfect. It is the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Side road. B. T-junction. Right. It is the T-junction sign. Guess this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. Correct. It is the roundabout sign. What is this traffic sign? A. T-junction. B. Side road. Correct. It is the side road sign. Identify this road sign. A. Riverbank or quayside. B. Soft verges. Good observation. It is the riverbank or quayside sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Hump bridge. B. Tunnel. Perfect. It is the tunnel sign. Identify this road sign. A. Loose chippings. B. Uneven road. Exactly. It is the loose chippings sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. End of 30 miles per hour. B. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. Well spotted. It is the minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour sign. Name this road sign. A. Cattle. B. Sheep. Good catch. It is the cattle sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. Correct. It is the steep descent sign. Identify this road sign. A. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. B. National speed limit applies. Correct. It is the national speed limit applies sign. What is this road sign? A. Agricultural vehicles. B. Slow-moving vehicles. Right. It is the agricultural vehicles sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Mini roundabout. B. Roundabout. Perfect. It is the mini roundabout sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Level crossing with no gates. Exactly. It is the level crossing with no gates sign. Which road sign is this? A. Accompanied horses prohibited. B. Accompanied horses. Well spotted. It is the accompanied horses prohibited sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. No vehicle over height limit. B. No vehicles over width limit. Good observation. It is the no vehicles over width limit sign. Identify this road sign. A. Keep left. B. One-way traffic. Good observation. It is the one-way traffic sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Buses prohibited. B. Buses and coaches prohibited. Right? It is the buses and coaches prohibited sign. Guess this road sign. A. Low-flying aircraft. B. Low-flying helicopters. Good catch! It is the low-flying aircraft sign. Identify this road sign. A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. B. Horse-drawn vehicles. Perfect. It is the horse-drawn vehicles sign. Which road sign is this? A. Towed caravans prohibited. B. Risk of grounding ahead. Perfect. It is the towed caravans prohibited sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Height restriction. B. Low arch bridge ahead. Exactly. It is the low arch bridge ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. B. End of 20 miles per hour zone. Right, it is the end of 20 miles per hour zone sign. Identify this road sign. A. Dip sign. B. Uneven road. Good observation. It is the dip sign. Guess this road sign. A. Keep left. B. Vehicular traffic must turn left. Well spotted. It is the keep left sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Emergence telephone. B. Telephone at level crossing. Perfect. It is the telephone at level crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Series of bends ahead. B. Double bend first to the left. Good catch! It is the series of bends ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at level crossing. Good catch! It is the light signals at level crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Staggered junction. B. Junction on a bend. Correct. It is the junction on a bend sign. Identify this road sign. A. Bend to left. B. Bend to right. Exactly. It is the bend to left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Route for use by pedal cycles only. B. Route for cycles and pedestrians. Well spotted. It is the route for cycles and pedestrians sign. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Make sure to subscribe now to get the latest road sign study tips and study guides. Tap on the videos on your screen to keep learning, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video.